Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about operator precedence and details. Let's start. This parenthesis must be executed first, then exponent sign, and multiply and division sign, then plus and minus. Let's see an example. If we want to execute this process here, let's try this in a notepad file. I write this operation here: 4 plus 2 exponent 2 divided by 2 plus 4 multiple 3 plus 6 divided 2. Here, let's try this with our shell. Let's go back here. Let's open our notepad file. First, I told you that this parenthesis must be executed first. The first step. Here we have two parentheses. Let's execute these operations here. The operation which has a high priority exponent, we will execute this exponent first. Then we will write 4 plus 2 exponent 2 equal to 4. And here we have multiple plus and division. We will execute multiple and division. 4 multiple 3, 12 plus 6 divided 2 equal to 3. In the next step here, we will add those values here. Divide 2 plus, we will add those values here equal to here. In the third step, we have a division sign here and a plus sign here. We will divide this. We will get 4 plus 5th. We will add those values. We will get. Okay. Remember, this parentheses must be pressed like this. The exponent, then exponent like this. The multiple sign and division sign, then the plus or the minus sign. Let's try this in our Python shell here. As we get here the same number. Okay, in the next video I will show you how we can use help method in Python to tell us more about anything we want to help us. Hope you like this video and see you next one.